If you have health anxiety and you're avoiding the doctors, you have to keep in mind and you always have to remember that you're not scared of going to the doctor, right? You are not scared of going and visiting the doctor. What you're scared of, or should I say, what your brain is actually scared of, is the uncertainty that going to the doctor is going to introduce into your life, right? What your brain is doing is it's going, if we go to the doctors, we're going to find out something awful. And that process is going to be, uncertain for maybe 2 weeks. I'm going to be left in the unknown. And my brain doesn't want to deal with that, right? That's going to be excruciating to my health anxiety brain, okay? But what you have to remember, and the kind of paradox here, is that the longer that you avoid, right? The longer you put off going to the doctors, the longer you say, no, I'm not going to go. If I go, something bad's going to happen, right? The longer that you play that over and over and over again in your brain, right? The more the fear is going to grow, right? Each day, the fear and the anxiety is just going to grow more and more and more, to the point where by the time you do actually maybe go to the doctor several months down the line, it's going to be a very anxiety inducing event, right? You're going to go, you're probably going to be, cold sweats in the waiting room, right? You're going to be in a really anxious state. And so you really just have to keep this in mind with health anxiety, that if you are avoiding the doctor, the avoidance is creating the anxiety and the fear, not the doctors itself.